Welcome to Peak English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we have a new story. It is a slow and easy English story. It is about a day out with friends. In this video, you will hear a simple conversation. It is a relaxing conversation between Alex and Amelia. They meet at the train station. Then they go to a cafe. After that, they visit a bakery. They walk in a beautiful park. Finally, they talk about their hobbies. Do not worry if you are a beginner. I will speak slowly and clearly. So, please, relax. Just enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small challenge for you. It is a listening challenge. Please listen carefully. Try to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. Here is today's question. What does Alex usually put in his coffee? I will say it again. What does Alex usually put in his coffee? The answer is in the conversation. When you find the answer, please write it down. Write it in the comment section below. Writing your answer in English is very good. It helps you improve your skills effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video. Let's begin our story now.
Good morning, Amelia.
Good morning, Alex.
How are you today?
I am great, thanks. How are you doing?
I am very well, thank you. I am really happy to see you.
Me too, Alex. I was looking forward to today.
The weather is so nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is very nice. The sky is very blue.
And it is very clear. There is not a single cloud.
It is warm, too. I didn't bring my jacket today.
That is fine. I checked the weather this morning. It will stay warm all day.
Perfect. Did you sleep well last night, Alex?
Yes, I did. I was so excited about today. I actually went to bed early.
Me too, actually. So, what do you want to do today?
Well, first, let's get some coffee. There is a really nice cafe near here.
That sounds great. I love having a drink in the morning.
Me too. And after that, we can walk around. We can enjoy the nice day.
I like that plan. Is the cafe far from here?
No, not at all. It is about a 5-minute walk. It is very close.
Great. Let's go then.
Okay, follow me.
This street is very quiet today.
Yes, it is very peaceful.
You really love coffee, don't you, Alex?
Yes, I do. I cannot start my day without it. It is my morning routine.
I understand. I am the same way with my morning drink. How do you like your coffee? Do you drink it black?
No, I don't. I usually put a little milk in it, but I use no sugar. How about you?
I don't drink coffee, actually. I usually get tea.
Oh, really? That is interesting. Okay, then let's go find your tea and my coffee.
Let's go.
Alex and Amelia arrive at the cozy cafe. It smells wonderful inside.
Here we are.
Wow, this cafe is beautiful.
Let's order at the counter. Hi there. Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure, what size would you like?
A medium, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It is a nice day, but I prefer hot coffee.
Do you want any milk in your coffee?
Yes, please. Just a little milk.
And how about sugar?
No sugar for me, thanks. I like my coffee with just milk. I think it tastes better that way.
Okay, my turn to order. Can I get a medium iced tea, please?
Any sugar in the iced tea?
Let me think. Actually, no sugar is fine. I don't like sugar in my drinks.
Okay, let's pay. So, 1 medium hot coffee with milk, and 1 medium iced tea with no sugar. That will be $6.50. I will pay for this, Amelia.
Oh, really? Thank you, Alex.
You are welcome. Let's go sit over there.
This table by the window is nice.
Yes, we can see the street from here.
Look, our drinks are ready.
Here is your iced tea, Amelia. I checked. There is no sugar.
That is perfect. You know me well.
Okay, let me try my coffee. This is really good.
Really? I am glad you like it.
Yes, the coffee is very smooth. It is not too strong, and it is not too weak. It is just right. That is why I like this place. They make everything just right. How is your iced tea?
It is really good. It is very cold and refreshing. It is perfect for a warm day like this.
That sounds nice. This cafe has a really nice feeling, too. It is quiet and relaxing.
Yes, I love the music they play here. It is very soft and calm. It makes me feel peaceful.
And the chairs are really comfortable. I could sit here all day.
We have other things to do today, remember?
Right.
So, do you come here often?
Yes, I come here about once a week, usually on Saturday mornings. It is my favorite cafe.
Once a week? You must really love this place.
I do. The staff are always friendly, and the drinks are always delicious.
I noticed that. The person at the counter was very kind.
Right. They always smile.
I can see why you like it. It is a really wonderful place. I want to come back here soon.
I am happy I could share it with you. It feels nice to come here with a friend.
Thank you for bringing me here. Next time, I want to try their cake, too.
Yes, their cake is really good. You will definitely love it.
That is something to look forward to.
Okay, shall we go? I want to show you a bakery near here.
A bakery? That sounds wonderful. Let's go!
Alex and Amelia leave the cafe. They walk to a small bakery down the street. It smells like fresh bread.
Here is the bakery.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Let's go inside.
Look at all this bread. Everything looks so delicious. It is very hard to choose.
The chocolate bread is very popular here. Many people bought it this morning, and the cheese bread is also really good.
They both look great. I will take 1 chocolate bread, please. How much is it?
The chocolate bread is $2.50.
Okay, I will get it. And actually, let me get 1 cheese bread, too. Is the cheese bread soft?
Yes, it is very soft and warm. They baked it just 30 minutes ago. It is still very fresh.
That sounds perfect.
The cheese bread is $2. So your total is $4.50.
Okay, here is $5.
Here is your change. Would you like a bag for your bread?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful. We are going to eat them outside.
Here you go. The bread is best when it is fresh, so please enjoy it soon.
We will! They smell so good. Thank you very much.
Next time you should try our melon bread. It is also very popular here.
Melon bread? I love melon bread. I will definitely try it next time.
Are you ready for the park?
Yes, let's walk.
Alex and Amelia take their bread. They walk to a large green park nearby.
Wow, this park is beautiful. The trees are so green.
I know, right? I love coming here, especially on nice days like this.
The weather really is perfect for being outside. It is not too hot, And it is not too cold.
Yes, it is the best kind of day. It is perfect for walking outside. I feel so relaxed.
I agree with you. And the park is so peaceful. I can hear birds singing.
Yes, there are many birds here. Sometimes I see squirrels too.
Really? That is so cute. I love nature. It makes me feel happy and calm.
Me too. It is nice to get away from the city sometimes. Do you take walks often, Amelia?
Yes, I try to walk every day, usually in the morning or after dinner.
Every day? That is really healthy. How long do you usually walk?
About 30 minutes, sometimes longer if the weather is nice, like today.
That sounds nice. I should walk more too. I usually just stay home on my days off.
You should try walking. Walking is great for your body, and it is great for your mind. You feel so fresh after a good walk.
You are right. Maybe I will start walking in this park. I can walk here every weekend. It would be good for me.
Definitely. And you can take pictures while you walk. That is two hobbies at the same time.
That is a great idea. I didn't think of that.
Oh, look! There is a nice bench over there. It is right under that big tree. Do you want to sit down and eat the bread?
Yes, let's sit there. I am getting a little hungry, actually.
Me too. The bread smells amazing.
Let's open the bag.
Here, try the cheese bread first. I got it for you.
Really? That is so kind of you. Thank you, Amelia.
Of course. Let's eat.
Wow. This cheese bread is so delicious.
I am glad you like it. The chocolate one is really good too. Do you want to try a little?
Can I? Thank you.
Here you go.
That is amazing too. Okay, so I want to know more about you. What are your hobbies, Amelia?
Well, I really like reading. I read books almost every night before I sleep.
Oh, that is nice. What kind of books do you read?
I like reading novels, especially love stories and mystery stories. A good book can take me to another world.
That is a beautiful way to say it. I wish I read more books.
You should try. I can recommend some easy and fun books for you. How about you, Alex? What are your hobbies?
I have a few hobbies. I really like cooking. I try new dishes every week.
Really? That is wonderful. What kind of food do you cook?
I like making Italian food. I can make pasta and pizza. But recently, I have been trying to cook Japanese food too.
Japanese food? That is great. What Japanese dishes have you tried?
I made curry last week. It was pretty good, I think. I also tried to make rice balls once, but they fell apart.
Rice balls are tricky to make. You need to use the right amount of water. I can teach you sometime.
Really? I would love that. And I will cook Italian food for you in return.
That sounds great. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like listening to music. I listen to music when I cook. I listen when I walk and before I sleep.
What kind of music do you like?
I like many kinds. Rock, pop, and jazz. I have been listening to some Japanese music lately too.
You really are interested in Japanese things.
Of course. What about you? Do you have other hobbies besides reading?
Yes, I also like taking pictures. I take photos of flowers, food, and nice places. I just use my phone.
Oh, that is cool. Do you share your photos anywhere?
Yes, I put them on social media sometimes. My friends say they are good.
I am sure they are good. You have a good eye for beautiful things, I think.
Thank you. That is a very nice thing to say.
I mean it. I really enjoy spending time with you, Amelia.
I enjoy it too. It is really fun talking with you like this.
The sun begins to set. Alex and Amelia walk back to the train station together.
Well, we are back at the station already. I cannot believe it. Time went so fast.
I know. I had such a great time today. Every moment was fun.
Me too. I had a really wonderful day. The coffee, the bread, the park. Everything was perfect.
I am so happy to hear that. I enjoyed every part of today, too.
And I learned a lot about you today. Your hobbies are really interesting.
Thank you. I also learned about you. I didn't know you could cook. I really want to try your food.
I promise I will make something for you. Maybe next time we meet.
That would be amazing. I would really like that. When are you free next?
How about next Saturday? I can cook lunch for us at my place.
Next Saturday sounds perfect. I will bring something too. Maybe some cake or fruit.
You don't have to bring anything, but that would be very nice.
Of course I will bring something. It is more fun to share things, right?
You are right. Okay, so next Saturday it is. I will send you a message about the time.
Sounds good. I am already looking forward to it.
Me too. Well, I should go now. Thank you for today, Alex. It was really special.
Thank you too, Amelia. I had a lovely day with you. Take care on your way home. Send me a message when you get there, okay?
I will. You be careful too. Don't forget to send me the time for Saturday.
I won't forget. I promise. See you next Saturday, Amelia.
See you next Saturday. I hope your cooking goes well this week. I know it will be delicious.
I will do my best. Have a good night, Amelia.
Good night, Alex. Today was a really great day. It really was one of the best days I have had.
Bye, Amelia.
Bye-bye.
Welcome back. How was the story? I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question again. It is the question from the beginning of the video. What does Alex usually put in his coffee? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer. Write it in the comments section below. Remember, writing is a great way to practice. Even a simple sentence helps you learn. By practicing English output like this, you will get better. You can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share many stories. They are in slow and easy English. They help beginners learn natural conversations. We will learn step by step together. I will keep uploading videos like this. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Subscribe to the Peak English channel and do not forget to like the video. Please leave a comment too. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining. You can join as a member to support the channel. All right. That is all for today. Thank you so much for listening. I hope to see you in the next video. Keep practicing your English. See you next time. Bye.